How to fix 500 internal server error Google Chrome on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix the 500 error on your Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you're facing this error on your Google Chrome on your iPhone, there can be several reasons to it. So let's just get right into fixing it. So first steps first, open up your Google Chrome. Now you can face this issue when the URL that you typed in is not correct or it's simply not available in your region. So check the URL that you have typed on your Google Chrome's search bar. If that's not the issue, make sure that you can use that website on your country. You can simply use a VPN to try and test it out. If even that does not work, simply tap on the three dots on the bottom right. Tap on your settings, this one right here, and after you're on your settings, scroll down a bit till you find privacy and security. It's right here, tap on it and open it up. Now first, head over to safe browsing and turn off your safe browsing. Tap on no protection here and turn this off and then tap on done. After you do that, we'll again head over to the settings. And after you head over to your settings, again, we will go to privacy and security and there you'll see delete browsing data. Tap on delete browsing data and simply delete all of your data on your Google Chrome. So do that, and after you do that, your problems should get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. That is how you fix this issue. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.